One of the best things I packed for my holiday to Rhodes wasn't actually in my suitcase, it was my eFOLDi Lite. I live with multiple sclerosis, so holidays come with extra planning. I always want to make the most of my time away, but I also have to think about things like fatigue and distances and whether I'll be able to comfortably get around and enjoy everything. We stayed at a large resort hotel, so having my eFOLDi Lite meant I could explore the grounds and get to different areas of the resort with ease and enjoy my holiday without constantly worrying about having to pace myself or miss out on things. I could focus on relaxing and enjoying every moment. We rented a car to explore the island, but we also took an organised day trip to the island of Simi, and the eFOLDi Lite made that so much easier. Because it folds down quickly and easily, it was simple to take with me on the coach to the harbour and then onto the boat for the crossing to Simi. Once we arrived, I could unfold it and explore the island at my own pace. Simi's so pretty, and having my scooter meant that I could see so much more of it. I could enjoy the experience without worrying about how far I'd walked or whether I had enough energy to get back. For me, that's what accessible travel's all about. It's about having the confidence and independence to fully experience a holiday and make memories without limitations getting in the way. My eFOLDi Lite gives me that, and the freedom too. It allows me to focus on the experience rather than the challenges, and that makes all the difference. This holiday reminded me that with the right support and equipment, travel can feel accessible, enjoyable and full of possibilities.